The symphony of production. Unifying manufacturing with CIM. Manufacturing is like an orchestra. Each stage is an instrument playing its part. Computer-integrated manufacturing, or CIM, is the conductor, bringing everything together. It connects design, production, and quality control. This creates a seamless flow of information. CIM ensures every instrument is in tune. Imagine a car factory. Design changes happen instantly on the production floor. Robots receive updated instructions. Quality checks happen in real time. This is CIM in action. It eliminates delays and reduces errors. The result is a more efficient and responsive manufacturing process. CIM allows manufacturers to adapt to changes quickly. New product designs can be implemented faster. Production can be adjusted based on real-time demand. This agility is crucial in today's fast-paced market. CIM is the key to unlocking a new level of manufacturing excellence. Efficiency unleashed. Automation and process mapping in action. Automation and process mapping are the power duo of modern manufacturing. Process mapping visualizes each step in the production process. This allows for identifying bottlenecks and inefficiencies. Automation then steps in to streamline these processes. Robots and software take over repetitive tasks. The result is increased output and improved quality. Data-driven decisions, real-time monitoring for enhanced control. Real-time monitoring is like having X-ray vision into the factory floor. Sensors collect data from machines and processes. This data is then analyzed to provide insights into performance. Managers can identify potential issues before they become major problems. Imagine a dashboard displaying key metrics. Production rates, machine uptime, and defect rates are visible at a glance. Anomalies trigger alerts, prompting immediate action. This allows for proactive maintenance and adjustments to production parameters. Real-time monitoring empowers informed decision-making. This data-driven approach optimizes resource allocation and minimizes downtime. It allows manufacturers to fine-tune their operations for maximum efficiency. This leads to cost savings, improved product quality, and increased customer satisfaction. Section 4. The hurdles to overcome challenges in implementing automation. While the benefits of automation are clear, implementing it is not without challenges. High upfront costs can be a barrier for some businesses. Integrating new systems with existing infrastructure can be complex. Addressing the skills gap in the workforce is crucial. The initial investment in automation technology can be significant. This includes the cost of robots, software, and installation. Careful planning and expert execution are required. Training the workforce to operate and maintain these new technologies is crucial. Companies need a strategic approach and phased implementation plan. Section 5. Navigating the transition. Strategies for successful implementation. Overcoming the challenges of automation requires a strategic approach. Phased implementation is key. Start with automating a specific area or process. This allows for gradual adjustment and minimizes disruption. Comprehensive training programs are essential. They equip the workforce with the skills to operate and maintain new technologies. Collaborative robots, or cobots, offer a more accessible entry point. Cobots are designed to work alongside humans. They are easier to program and integrate into existing workflows. This collaborative approach eases the transition to automation. It creates a safer and more productive work environment. Governments and educational institutions play a crucial role. They can provide incentives for automation adoption and invest in skills development programs. By embracing a collaborative approach, we can ensure a smooth transition to a more automated future. Section 6. The future of manufacturing. Embracing automation for enhanced productivity. The future of manufacturing belongs to those who embrace automation. By integrating CIM, automation, and real-time monitoring, companies can unlock unprecedented levels of efficiency and productivity. The challenges are real but surmountable. Phased implementation, workforce training, and collaboration are key to success. As we navigate this exciting new era, we must prioritize human-machine collaboration. This will empower workers and drive innovation. The journey towards an automated future requires careful planning, investment, and a commitment to upskilling our workforce. By embracing these principles, we can create a more efficient, resilient, and competitive manufacturing industry. The rewards are substantial: increased productivity, improved quality, and a stronger economy.